Do like a Scania. I am a daft guy, but Scanias do look boxy, chunky. And you don't really want me to be chit-chatting for much longer, so let's go put some fuel in, and then yeah, we'll head to side. Sunshine. Sure, is that a song? Sunshine? God knows. We'll slip around here and get. Oh, no, don't want you to. Oh, let's pick up the boom, Engage our reverse steer. We'll make sure both of our drums are on 50. Make sure we got creep speed on. And we can slowly just go and cut away. Residents came out asking if there's any spare tarmac, but it's not for me to say. Tarmac is brought in from that Sprider, so I suppose if he had anything left, or he's the one to say I literally have the easy job of just ripping them out. Yeah, you wouldn't want the. Everybody wants a bit of tarmac, don't they? Everyone's got a hole in their driveway, or everyone's got a bit that they want some tarmac for. So yeah, hey, you know, I remember when I had a driveway years ago, and they were doing some utility company, won't name him, but utility company were doing some works in the area. Actually, they had to rip up my drive to lay a new pipe, shall we say. So yeah, thankfully we came to some sort of agreement. I had a pothole there that they just chucked some tarmac in for me. So thank you, utility company. Oh, that's a plate. Oh damn, that was one of them RAF ones. Oh, there's a guy in the tip of it. It's a bit of a plain bluff, so I'm gonna have to ask him what it was. But oh, fiddlesticks! I moved down to the wrong location at the wrong time, didn't I? Oh well, never mind. That would have made a phenomenal shot if it was. Around these trees, don't want to knock the trees about. Yeah, that would have made a good, awesome shot, wouldn't it? Never mind. I'll tell you what, we'll dig this out. So you know, you got your beauty, obviously, of digging this out. My trousers are reflecting horrendously in this. Too reflective, is that such a thing? Yeah, I do need a new toe plate. I am waiting for JCB to ship one out to me. £810, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get the specs to get it built somewhere, because that's a whole lot of money for a wear plate. But then again, it does get some hammer, so you can't moan that much. Hopefully it should be coming today or tomorrow. Let's see if we can pick up one of those sweepings up. No, it was pretty fun. I really need to dig that out. I'll turn all the microphones off and then you can hear all the workings of the machine. I'm just going to give you a quick nosy at some of the patches. One out up here. Obviously this is number 6, 7. And then look how smooth that is. Always nice when the base is so smooth. Yeah. So we've got that one, and we've got a further one. Some nice houses here. Got a further one out down here as well. There's another one, and then we've got 2 big ones out down there. What's that one? Well, 30 square. 30 square out down there. So not that big, but you know, big. Big in different worlds. But yeah, check out the smoothness of this. Love that. What? This is one of the slightly bigger ones. Lads doing some ditching work, so we'll stay away from them. Cutting the grooves in the grips. So they're yeah, they've been following me up and down the road closure. So yeah, 140 square out. Now we're going to sit and have a nosy on the old Instagram and see and wait for the Tarmac to catch up. See how much is left in the juicy hot box per se. Got a bit like here we could take out, and there's a few more patches up there. So yeah, me and the tipper guy will go and look at some planes while we wait for Ganga and the Tarmac team to let us know what the shout is. I think they're about 4 or 5 patches away from them ones, so we proper outstripped them, outgunned them today. Yesterday they about 2-3 behind, but there's quite a lot of small ones, like 600 by 600 a year, then a bit there. So yeah, gave them a bit of a catch up. It's like they're out of breath going down there. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, like, and all that jazz, and please stay tuned. I'm going to try and do more of these, show you the life behind highways and pothole repairs. So thanks for watching.